Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in video 592, we're diving into how to fix TV sound delays in 2025. If you've ever watched a movie or show and noticed the audio lagging behind the video, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can ruin the experience. But don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, effective fixes step by step, using the latest tech tips for 2025 smart TVs. First, let's understand the problem. Sound delays often happen due to audio processing in your TV, HDMI connection issues, or even software glitches from apps and devices. With advancements in 2025, like better AI-driven audio sync, these fixes are easier than ever. Step 1. Start with the basics. Power off your TV, soundbar, and any connected devices. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and turn it on. This quick reset can clear temporary glitches and restore sync. Step 2. Check your TV's settings. Head to the audio menu. Most 2025 models have a lip sync or audio delay adjustment feature. Use the on-screen slider to fine-tune the delay until the sound matches the video perfectly. For example, on Samsung or LG TVs, this is usually under Sound greater than Expert settings. Step 3. If you're using an external sound system like a soundbar or home theater, adjust its settings too. Many devices now have automatic sync options. Look for audio latency in the app or remote control to manually tweak it. Step 4. Update your firmware. In 2025, TVs get regular updates to fix bugs. Go to your TV's settings under Support or About and check for updates. Also, ensure your streaming devices or apps are up to date, as outdated software can cause delays. Step 5. Test your connections. Try switching HDMI ports or cables, as a faulty one might be the culprit. If you're using wireless audio, like Bluetooth headphones, minimize interference by keeping devices close and avoiding other wireless signals. If these steps don't work, consider contacting your TV manufacturer's support. They often have 2025 specific troubleshooting guides. There you have it. By following these tips, you'll banish sound delays for good and enjoy crystal clear audio. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.